Simplify b squared minus 2b minus 15 all over 8b plus 20 divided by 2 over 4b plus 10. Well, before I do anything, why don't I rewrite this as me keeping the same exact original first fraction like this, and instead of dividing the fraction, multiply its reciprocal, like so. Now what I can do is, if I have polynomials all over the place, knowing very well that this is a fraction and we're just going to end up multiplying these guys anyway, like this, why don't I try to factor as much as I can? So if I look at b squared minus 2b minus 15, that's a quadratic, and two numbers that add up to negative 2 and multiply out to negative 15 are going to be 5 and 3. So if I make u b minus 5 and b plus 3, the top left factors out to that. The bottom left, I have an 8b and a 20, which means I have a 4 in common in both. So if I factor out a 4, that leaves me with 2b plus 5 inside the parentheses. Similarly over here, I notice, 4b and 10, I can factor out a 2. That leaves me with 2, and then 2b plus 5, and on the bottom, I just have a regular 2. So what color didn't I use yet? Black. So if I see that I have stuff in the numerator and stuff in the denominator that can cross out, let's cross them out. That 2 can cross out, that 2 can cross out. That 2b plus 5 and that 2b plus 5 can cross out, and I'm left with this. So I'm left with b minus 5 times b plus 3 all over 4. Now I know that b minus 5 and b plus 3 just reverts back to b squared minus 2b minus 15. So if you're looking at that saying, then why did we do it in the first place? Because you never know if it's going to turn into anything. In this case, it didn't. But that's going to be my answer. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but we did it.